Welcome back to another video, man. Today we're gonna play Buckshot. It's like a 1v1v1. No Baldy today, man. I don't know. He just doesn't want to join, man. Look, he's jumping over there. You're dumbass. I told him to play. I told him to join, man. He's now like sitting in front of the chairs. What a dumbass, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see these items, man. I need a gun, bro. Is that a shotgun right there? Yo, yo. When I get that shotgun, I'm shooting nitrous spike, bro. I don't give a shit. Fuck. He looks funny, bro. You got a beer? Is that a beer, bro? Bro, let's see. 3 live rounds and 2 blanks, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna get the blank every time, man. I'm just cursed in games, bro. Especially in Roblox. Let's see who starts first, man. They're putting the blanks in. What the hell is Baldy doing, man? This guy doesn't know how to join. My God, bro. Alright, I'm gonna go first. Immediately, now just spot. I don't give a shit. Let's see if this works. Boom! Bro. Every time, man, they give him a blank again, bro. Yo, I swear this guy's gonna shoot me first. I know that shit, man. Yo, I swear to God, if he even aims it at me, bro. I don't know what he's taking right now, man. Finally, bro. Finally, someone aims at this guy, bro. Did he miss? I don't know what happened, bro. He still has 5 lives. I think he missed. He's drinking a beer. Yo, he better not aim at me, bro. If he aims at me, man. Look at this Baldy, man. Doesn't know how to join. He's trying to get in. Trying to be relevant so bad. Why is this guy aiming at me, bro? Bro. Yo, when I do it, it's a blank, right? Stupid ass game, bro. Yo, I'm gonna go after Nitro Spike. I don't give a shit, bro. This guy try to shoot me. Boom! That's what you get, bro. That's what you get. You're trying to shoot me, bro. You're trying to shoot me. I dare you do that again, bro. Round 2, man. Round 2. That's what we got. I got 4 lives. I can't gamble right now, man. I'm just gonna get the shotgun every time, bro. I, I need to drink that damn beer too, bro. I knew it was a life, bro. Is that a handcuff? What do I need a handcuff for? It's a stupid ass game, bro. That's why I don't like this, man. Who made this game, man? Who made this game, bro? Dumbass game, bro. Reloading it, bro. Come on. Can't take this long, bro. Just give me the gun first, bro. Just give me. Why did give it to him, bro? Yo, he's gonna aim at me. Look, I'm predicting he's gonna aim at me, bro. Look, 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 bro. I, every time they aim at me, it works, bro. I'm gonna get pissed off, bro. Get pissed off, bro. But why am I in handcuffs? What did I do? My God, bro. The feds, bro. Act like the feds now, bro. Did they shoot me or something? Just grab the gun and put it down. Still his turn, bro. I think he's gonna shoot at me. He's gonna aim at me, bro. God, bro. I swear if it works. Finally, man. I'm gonna get a gun now, bro. Yo, he reloaded it. Let me get the gun now. Yo, why is it his turn? I think I'm in handcuffs. That's why, bro. Why am I in handcuffs anyway? My God, bro. Yeah, you should. My God, I'm on a curse, bro. How when they aim at me, I actually shoots, bro? Ridiculous, bro. Okay, bro. They're gonna give the gun to this guy again. Are you serious? Yeah, he's shooting me, bro. I'm done for. I don't know how many lives I got. I got like 2, bro. Bro, let me get out of the handcuffs, bro. Of course he aims at me, bro. Aha, he missed again, bro. Yo, he sucks, man. He's actually ass, bro. It's my turn now, bro. I'm going after this guy. I'm gonna get the beer first. I don't know what is this, man. I think it's medicine. I don't know. And now I'm gonna get a shotgun. Natural spike. Boom! The hell? Again, bro? Yo, just work, man. Oh, bro, every time I aim, it literally is just blanks, bro. I only shot once, bro. Ridiculous. You know, he's aiming at me again, bro. So, bro, how? Bro, they're only going after me, bro. What do I do, bro? I'm gonna get pissed off, bro. Let me get the shotgun now. It's my turn. Ha, he's on handcuff. Please. Fuck out of here. I'm gonna shoot your ass, bro. Let's go. Bro, I missed again? Yo. I had 4 blanks in a row. Let me get a good one, man. I'm gonna get pissed off, bro. I'm tired of this game, bro. Oh, of course he's aiming at me, bro. Look, I know he's gonna work. See? Bro, I didn't want to play this game anymore, man. They're just going after me and it actually works. They're only shooting me, bro. I'm tired of this, man. This guy wouldn't even shoot the other guy. Yeah, let's see what we got, man. Interact with the chest. I don't know what that means, bro. I don't know what that means. But I better go first. What is that? Calculator? Yo, what is that? I'm not grabbing that shit. What the hell? Yo, I got 1 life, man. I need the medicine now, bro. Shit, bro. Let me go first, bro. Do not let any of them go first, bro. Do not let any of them go first. I got 1 life, bro. Spare me. Oh, not this guy again, bro. Yo, please spare me, man. Please. Yo, I swear if it works, bro. Please, bro. Please. Bro, give me a chance, man. Don't aim at me, bro. Please. Bro, I'm in handcuffs? Bro, what do I do now? I just started. Yeah, I swear if he aims at me, bro, I'm done. Please, bro. Come on. Please.
SMR looks funny. Yes. Yeah, he's out of the game now. Did he get cut off? Oh no. Now you look funny, bro. Spare me, bro. You gotta spare me. Of course you're drinking soda, bro. What's the chances? There's a high chance it's just... Oh, I forgot to put it. No, I lost the score. It's still yours. Huh? Now you look funny, man. Why do you look so funny right now? Come on, man. This can't be it, bro. Oh, it's Buckshot. Like those big ass pellets. I don't know. Yes! Bro. Oh yeah? Actually? You look funny. I wish if we had like guessed it correctly, would get one more try. But no. Yeah, it is 4-4. No, you were counting wrong. Oh, this thing. Okay, you can go there. Oh! Oh! Yes, go! Yes! Yes, I got the stealing thing too. Ah, 3, 4. Gotta be serious. Alright, I'm locking, bro. Okay, look at that jiggling, bro. Chook, 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 chook. Yeah, that. Oh, you got healing? Ah, thank you. Stealing things is my best. It's a blank shell. It's a blank shell. Oh, it's a blank shell. Oh, now it's no longer is a blank shell. You look funny, bro. Bro, risking it, bro. Seriously? Why would you waste that? It's gonna be blank, trust me. Yeah, yeah, boy. Thank you for the heal, though. You look funny, bro. I love those stealing things, bro. Stealing from my enemies. Toot, 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 toot. Bro, even taking an aim, bro. Of course you can't aim without the sides. I'ma withstand. I'ma risk it, bro. I'm a risky boy. Why are you shooting me? Yeah, I thought you were meant to. Now you look funny. These are all lives. Huh? What? No. This is wrong. I should just withstand it. Give me some magnifying glass. Okay. What is this? I got a shoe. Why did I get a shoe, bro? I'm cooked. Huh? No, please let me use it, bro. I wanna see what it does. You took too long. No way, bro. No way. Please be blank. Please be blank. Please be blank. How's the life? Oh no. That was blank. Yeah, I know. Maybe suicidal, bro. Okay, bro. Ah. Alright, one blank is gone. Alright, it's a 50-50. What does this do? A burner phone tells you whether a random shell is blank or live. A random shell. Second shell blank. Oh, this one's live then. But let me invert it so you don't get this chance. Now this one should be blank, because it works. Now, GG's. I wish I had a saw, but I don't have a saw. Wait. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. If you get adrenaline, bro. Oh. Burner phone. Oh, cops. Oh, yeah, great. Thank you for shouting my name. I'm cooked. I'm fried. Look. Yeah, drink those pills, bro. Tell my mother I loved her. Unfortunate. Oh no, a definite boy.